This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can gather details about the data that you enter in Google Sheets, like finding the sum of a group of numbers, finding the average of a group of numbers, or the minimum number, or the maximum number, without dealing with formulas. Perhaps you want to know this information, but this is not necessarily information that you have to list in your spreadsheet. It is almost like a hidden feature because it's easy to miss. What you do is you highlight the data that you want to analyze. And then in the lower right-hand corner, you see this thing down here that says count numbers. So it's told you how many numbers you've counted. And if you click on this, you get more information. You see that the sum of all of these numbers is 132. You see that the average of these numbers is 12. The minimum number listed is 2. The maximum number listed is 22. And the number of numbers highlighted is 11. This is a very useful tool for getting quick information about the data that you're working with. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel by clicking that red button below so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. And also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.